For this. If you see these dogs in your front yard, just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
302 gang, was good, man? It's your boy 302. We back with another video, baby. And as you can see, we are already in the boss. We up here at the E85 gas station. I was just checking a couple things, checking the oil pressure and stuff on the. I said oil pressure. Checking the oil levels and stuff. We about to and yeah, man. You see, I got the GoPro mounted up here to see if we doing any spinning back here. You know, just to see if we leaving any 11s and stuff like that. Got the car out here. Just check some things and make sure everything was good, tire pressure, stuff like that. But of course, you see the turbos looking good, everything looking real beautiful. This video gonna be more GoPro than anything, so y'all just bear with me. As you can see, we need to hurry up though, because you can see the weather looking crazy out here. So we're gonna try to get this video done real quick. It's not gonna be much. I'm probably gonna do about 2-3 pulls, like going from exit to exit or something like that. Just to, you know, just to see. I ain't gonna beat the hell out the car or nothing like that, but I remember I told you I was trying to get more content and you know, more race and stuff that y'all like. So we about to do that now. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you give me a like, leave a comment down on what you think. And like I said, we still in the process of getting ready for race season, baby. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get this on the way.
Let's get it. Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter. This is not a movement you can be a part of. Niggas says up, we take it even further. Met black jets in the budget now. Riding in the phantom with 100 rounds. Heard these niggas talking, I can't come around. Lambo in the trenches, that's him coming down. Pop up in your city like I told.
Alright, YouTube, we are in the boss, baby. Let's see what we can do. I can already kind of feel the stiffness already, like when I hit bounces and stuff like that. Damn! I don't know if I left lines or not, but that felt good. A monster a little bit, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, going in a car perfect. What the hell was that about? Definitely gotta let Lund look at this car, man. Something is definitely wrong. Because I went to 4th gear and I went to hit the gas and the car like kind of choked a little bit or something like that. Like it cut fuel or something for a second. That's why I definitely gotta do some data logs and let Lund look at this car, man. Because something is definitely not right. That's not supposed to do that. I could definitely hear rocks from the car chip. So it definitely did spin. 'Cause I could hear rock chips from the car. Like I could hear a lot of rocks bouncing off the tires. So we definitely spin somewhere down the line, but I'm trying to figure out why this car keeps doing that. Hey, slow that bitch down, nigga. Hey. I don't know what the fuck these niggas doing. He tripping, dog. Police boy, they be, boy. That made me nervous just then, nigga. I don't even be nervous like that. Yeah, man, I definitely gotta, that's why I really didn't want to do no beating on the car until I got the logs done. But it's just how it go, man. I ain't gonna really do too much more to it because I don't be wanting to have no issues. Let's see what happens if I shift it like slower or something. We about to shift it a little bit slower, see what that do. Definitely felt a lot better. That felt crazy. But as you can see, I shifted a little bit lighter. When I shifted a little bit lighter, I was able to, it didn't like burp. It was able to just shift and go into gear like it normally would. Not bad. Thinking about this highway, I see a lot of police about this camp. But that wasn't bad though, that felt good. I'ma definitely, like I said, I'm getting these logs together. I'ma definitely let Lund see what's going on. Why I keep on doing that. But you know, it's trial and error. It's been a while since we've been, you know, in the car doing anything crazy, so it be like that sometimes. Sometimes you gotta work out old kinks and stuff like that. But like I said, after you've been doing this for a while, it become normal. Like having little certain issues or things, like acting a little funny. But like I said, I don't know if y'all seen it, but it definitely like had like from 3 to 4. When I hit the gas, it had like a little burp, like a little, like it slowed me down instead of taking off like I was expecting to do. But when I shift kind of slow, y'all see that it works. So, who knows what it could be? Maybe it could be one of my fuses is out and one of my pumps that I got or something. But it's only one way to see that. That's why I will be, we'll be working on that this week just to keep y'all updated. But I ain't gonna lie, so far so good. I have to look at the footage from the GoPro that's on the back window, but I ain't gonna lie, man, that shit felt good. Like I didn't really feel no spin action or nothing like that. It actually really felt like, it actually felt pretty stable. I think what it is more is like the car isn't, like it's preventing the car from lifting up, well, squatting so much in the back. So by preventing the car from squatting so much in the back, it's like it doesn't feel like I guess that stops it from spinning because it ain't squatting so low. But it feel good. Like I'm used to the front of the car lifting up super high when I hit the gas, but it wasn't doing that at all. It was actually like almost perfect. If you want to be real, like really felt good. I'm gonna try to do one more on this little back street I know coming up here. And if I spin on this back street, I mean, if I don't spin on this back street, then we might be on to something. So we're gonna see. This back street right here is like a pretty perfect like unprepped street for me to get it off. So we're gonna see. Now I ain't gonna lie, I might spin from this way, cause I might end up doing a first, second, third, fourth. So I might spin. That might be too much, like, and too low in the RPM. When I race, I'm only really doing 60 rolls. I ain't doing nothing really no lower than that. So we'll see. This might be just for y'all entertainment only, to be honest. Let's see. motherfucker is quick. Like, when I say this motherfucker is quick, hey, we ate that street up, nigga. Hey, we ate that street up, and I know I had to spin them because I could, like I said, that was a low. I'm never coming from that low when I'm doing a pull ever. Like I've been realizing this car I can't do 40 rolls no more, so I never try to do them. But that was definitely a 40, and like I said, this car is quick, but I don't know, because as you seen, second to third I didn't have no issues just then. Second and third I ain't had no issues, it was smooth. But for some reason third to fourth had like a little, I don't know, like a little burp or something to it. Hey man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. It's not every day that I get a chance to open up the car like that, but that felt amazing. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this car still gets me. Like after 2 years of having it, I don't know. Hey, when it's on kill, well, not when it's on kill mode, but when it's on go mode and I hit that gas, I ain't gonna lie, man, this car still do it to me. It still give me that good feeling. Like I'm not used to the power yet. Still, I still get like a little hyper from it. But yeah, man, you know, it's your boy 302, just giving y'all some more content, man. We working, baby. We working. Y'all know we working, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. Subscribe to the channel, man.